I've got no storage at all. Hello. Hello, owner.
Can you buy a memory card for it?
What?
Can you buy a memory card for it?
I don't know. I'll be back. I'll be able to talk to you in like a million minutes. I don't know.
Okay.
I am recording. I am recording. Yay. Myra, you can dance, just please. Don't be camera shy, Myra. Oh, unicorn pie. Hello, I'm recording. Back in recording. I will not. Oh, dance. Everyone dance. Hey. Oh, Temple of Zeus. There's the one and only amazingness of pie. Unicorn pies. Everyone dance, do, 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 dance. Dance. Okay, I am back after like a minute trying to save space.
No, none of them do.
Oh. Okay, so going into Unicorn Pie's den.
Speaking on when it's like a speakerphone.
Ah, don't mind my dad's phone call, people, and don't mind this horrible loading. I don't think I get to spend as much time playing as I do loading. Oh, amazing.
No.
That's a very wacky window. Ah, why did it spray water on me? Why did it spray water on me? A giant banana. Banana. Okay, hello. Hello. Banana. Yeah, banana. Banana. Okay, so sorry. Minty, it's at monkey only. No, it's not. What's a what? Since no one goes there. Since no one goes there. Dun dun dun. What? It might become rare and then better. Whoa. Cool. I'm gonna wrap this video up. So goodbye. Goodbye. You should get one. Okay, I'm just gonna dance to say goodbye. Goodbye.